When the holy month of Ramadan approaches every year, Muslims around the globe look up to the most influential imams to lead special night prayers at the Grand Mosque in Makkah, as it energizes people's spirituality through their melodious and awesome recitation of Quran. Sheikh al-Dosiri is one among them who won the hearts of millions of believers through his marvelous recitation of Quran. But this journey would be impossible without the help of Allah and the hard work he put in. To know more, let's begin the journey of Sheikh al-Dosiri. Sheikh al-Dosiri was born in Kharj province, southeast of Riyadh, in a Muslim family. Growing up, he wanted to memorize the Quran and always wondered how one can remember Quran in his whole lifespan. With this curiosity, he went near his sheikh and asked about the best way to memorize Quran. Shockingly, they always replied with the Prophet ﷺ's advice to read Quran regularly. See, it's that simple. Little by little, he started to memorize Quran. As time passed, these little parts turned into complete version. At the age of 15 itself, he completed memorizing the Quran, and his talent appeared in reading the Quran remarkably. His fresh voice was justified by experts of the Quran. He firmly believed in Allah and his plans on making du'as during day and night in prostration by saying, "O Allah, make the great Quran the spring of my heart and the light of my chest." He tried all his best effort to become the people of the Quran and preach with great difficulties and determination. Now, Sheikh al-Dosiri is known as one of the most influential preacher and Quran reader in the Arabic and Islamic world. He is Imam and orator in Dakhil Mosque in Riyadh and the General Secretary of Prince Sultan University for teaching Quran to the Saudi Arabia Defense Forces. He is 41-year-old who is leading a joyful life, being the father of 2 boys and 2 girls. He also issued several audio tapes which include the Quran Taraweeh prayers, 51 Quranic version plus 6 varied ones. MashaAllah. Such a beautiful and inspirational soul. May Allah bless complete health and mercy on him. Ameen. If you want a guaranteed success, make every effort to please Allah. So, what's your choice?